this is the Plume Palette, is what we're calling it, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. This is an aid in this technique, and again, I think we're going to find other ways to use it it's like a staging area for the fiber that you're pulling and using, especially for the feathers and all the plumage. But I could see tiny toes, like anything that you need to get a small amount. So this is made by 4 Dog Designs. And shoot, I forget the name of this wood, but I went with it because it's heavier and we want this to stay put while we're working. This is a static resistant comb, and that goes in the biggest slot. And then this is just some cord that's going to hold your comb in place. And you're going to need something, a pencil, or this is a knitting needle, something pointy, and you just kind of have to get her going, press it down around the comb. For some reason, it just like takes a second to get it to want to go in there. But then once it does, you can really tuck it in. And now this doesn't move.